Turn on or replace notifications. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or replace notifications on tweets. So first thing, you can go to your tweets, go to your profile, click on this icon at the top, and here guys you have notifications. Click on tweets and replace. Here guys you have replace, and you can choose if you want to turn it on. You have to choose if you want notifications from everyone or just from people you follow to make it more private or something like this. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next video.